Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In this video, we're going to dive deep into understanding data types in Python and how to effectively check them using simple techniques. Let's start by discussing what data types or D types are in Python, building on our previous video's exploration. Data types essentially classify the type of data stored in a variable. Python has several built-in data types including integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and more. Checking data types using type. One of the simplest ways to check the data type of a variable is by using the type function. This function returns the type of the object it receives as an argument. Let's demonstrate this with examples of different data types. In this code snippet, we're using the type function to check the data types of variables, such as integers, floats, lists, tuples, and strings. Each time, we print out the result using print. This is useful for simple checks where you need to quickly determine the data type of a variable. Handling unknown data types. In some situations, we might not be sure about the type of data we're dealing with. We can handle this gracefully in Python by using techniques such as error handling or conditional statements to accommodate various data types. Best practices and conclusion. Understanding data types is crucial for writing robust and efficient Python code. By mastering data type checking techniques using functions like type, you'll be better equipped to handle various data manipulation tasks in your projects.